Hello, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. Well, we are back at it again here, and this is the current state of my IDE. We have trying to be implementing some of the features for programming, the functions and shit and scheißen. Right now, I'm just currently trying to get my user interface in order. Not that much about actually doing the functions and the working stuff behind it, but as always, it's the graphical stuff that trips me over. Anyways, enough about that. Let's go and do some, I don't know, new business. And as always, I do not have any sound. There is the sound. Well, there's no reason to play this game without listening to the motors roar. Straying hard away from my diet at the moment. Well, this weekend yeah, so what will we do? We'll position us down here somewhere. Haha, look at that. Oh. What is that good for, actually? Don't move! No. That's not allowed. Okay. Thank you. Just take the next one. Here. He probably tried to shoot that big guy, isn't he? Come on, go away. It's just like waiting for Christmas, huh? Okay. Poof. Why is that familiar? I just need to wait. No. Just there's no need to be in the harm's way when when I'm not even reloaded. Yeah. Who's the bugger? Oh my god, he shot my Well, cheers to that. Empty. Let's get the water. Haribo. Athene med citrus. Eller hvordan man siger, vatten. We listen to gay. Yeah, okay. Will this misfire? Not can't remember. Oh. Well, apparently I really enjoyed this tank. So, but we don't need to be in harm's way while we reload. Sorry about that. Готово. Bastard, don't bump me! Oh my god. Готово. Yes, we will take that готово here. What happened to my... he had me. Got me straight to... in between the eyes. Well, we're going to take... I think I'm almost fully leveled with this CU. Where is it? Oh, don't die. Well, use them or lose them.
Ja, nou hartelijk.
Ja, du verschreckte pappa. What do you do? The pickles in the shaft. Okay. Papa Chempa na way. No, sorry about that, little baby girl. She had to get something to drink. Well, she scared the shit out of me. What did we get? What a haul, huh? Just gonna save that. I can't remember. Oh, a blue one. 7 kills. Yeah, the last bombing raid I really got some traction. What do we need most here? Breaks or crew replenishment, huh? We break for nobody. And I still got 100 and there. I should have taken the suspension thing and didn't notice. Well, we got adjustment of fire, which is terribly good. These vertical spread. So this one or this one. Speed or let's take that, huh? Makes more sense to be aiming better. Oh, just need to look at there was somebody trying to contact me, but you know, I cannot see the chat, unfortunately. I do not have my usual gaming setup like I had when I was younger. So, no, unfortunately. So I can't see what you're writing, but write me a message, write a comment, whatever. If you want to tag along in my long streak of fails. But you know, as we saw now, even a blind hen can find some corn. So what do we do? What should we do? I definitely like going for C, I think. Yeah. This crowded shit.
Экипаж к бою. Механик-водитель к бою готов. Наводчик к бою готов. Заряжающий к бою готов. Excuse me.
We are trying to sneak away. What do we see from here? So we shall stand on top of the hill and gaze down from it like king. Of course, agreed. So what is our downward deflection? Is not that goddamn great.
Attention to the map.
He's going. Oh, I need to wait for a little bit. 5. Quick turn and aim. We should hide here in between these houses. Yes. Okay. I'm probably dead, but you know, you only live once. Yeah. Well. Excellent. Only one destroyed? I thought they destroyed two. So, yes, nobody is attacking. We like that, don't we, Paco? Well, that wasn't pleasant. That wasn't nice. I think that was a particularly rude. So they're pretty close. They're shooting into our spot here. Look at that, the German. Now there's no more pressure. Well, they had some fun. but not too much. So well. Look at that, huh? 150 gives good shit, even when even in a loss, man. Huh? Yeah, if I had one, I'd be like the level 2 battle rating 25 or something. Ending spectacular. Insta quitters. Oh, that was fun. We got this and 600, almost that. Finished that, and elevation for this. That was the spread, and we'll take the filters now for 500. Jim. And tank driving, that's good. We got loader, no, but targeting we will definitely like. Let's take anything good there. Let's just save up for a rainy day. Radio communication, artillery, yeah. Yeah, we shall have artillery calling time. And no one accuracy. Oh my god, what's happening here? This is going to be... Is this going to be light tank? No, this one, huh? So we are going to focus on gunner. There's nothing there. Loader, no, nothing there. Commander, yes. Here should be ending. So let's take one more game here. Or perhaps two. Well, I don't want to spend all my weekend gaming. Just wonder on one of my countless unfinished projects I should do. Countless. Well, I got the
Экипаж к бою! Механик-водитель к бою готов! Заряжающий к бою готов!
Where are you going? Nobody going towards come on, we can do it. Phaeton 33. They would just wonder, why is there smoke there? There must be enemy. I slowed them down for a bit. That's my theory anyways. I'm sticking to it. You know what? There's no... What's going on with that? Every time I can the enemy now. Oh, there he is. I will hit him with some smoke. I did die, yeah? Where am I at? I am at, what do I got? Oh, goddamn rockets. Ah. Well, I'm surrounded by monkeys. He's just waiting for me. Okay, who was the fastest reload? That's them for sure. Yeah, he knew it. It wasn't him. Yeah. 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 God damn it, man. So there's actually no point in playing this game. Well, if I don't play it, I will lose the Scheißen, and that we cannot have. Yeah, die now. Yes, thank you very much. That was perfect.
We no longer have the advantage. If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
Where is it? Ah. What? Who is shooting? Yeah. Das bin ich, der Bettwächter, ja. Okay. Do we have something here that needs to be leveled? We'll take 3. 2.5 milliseconds of pure agony. Where can I see? It needs to be like a quick turn. Okay, there. He's the, oh my god! How could that be? It was so fast, so quick. And he was at the like it was a goddamn bot. There was like milliseconds reaction time. Milliseconds. Add on armor. I think that was the last one, yeah. Which makes my look at that. Order. We will select a crew. That will be this one, I guess. And the next level bastard should be but you know, I like my from 4 to 6. Really. But so if I level this one then I will stay at this for a long time because I need to level all these bastards. So what? Should we just level this? I don't know. What's the difference? 60. Visibility 85. Now I can't of course choose anything there. And penetration, hull armor 148, 43. God damn it. Because the first one is so fun, we're gonna take that one. Yeah. Yips, let's take 150% again, Jim. And we got a new. Oh, we should try it out like in the test field, but no. Cheers. What's the time? 21:42. And should we just try it out? Did I change tanks? I don't. Oh yeah. It is very slow, huh? Two KV1s and one Tiger H1. He will come into reach. Yeah. There's no need to rush and die, man. Jesus Christ. What's this? Who are you shooting at? And I didn't hit the other guy. Oh my god. Yeah. Now this is going to be the last one, I think. If that's the... what was I missing here? I don't know. It's impossible. Okay, let's get it over with. Come on. You can't shoot twice straight away. God damn it. Oh. Get some
Самолет! 6 часов. Дистанция 750 метров.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Вижу повреждения. Цель уничтожена.
I don't know, sometimes I just I crush the enemy with my yelling in my head, and sometimes I crush the enemy with my head. Where is he? There he is somewhere. Where? There.
12 часов. Дистанция 1700 метров. Цель подбита. Цель уничтожена.
Goddamn dive, you bastard. Okay. Too eager to place some shit on them. Oh, there's something right in front of us. I break problem with head. Oh, I need oh yeah, that was fantastic. time for me to get the hell out of here. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh my god. Go away! God damn it, man. Bastards. Well, was yet another win. Now I must have completed something else. We had the suspicion, all modifications. Okay. Then what? We got 75. Or we got tank driver and range finding. That is no question. Yonder, we will save up for a rainy day. What was it now? Should we take that 47k and run? I don't know. Aye. So yeah, if you're watching and writing, I cannot read it because yeah. So basically this is the fuse. 48% or less, 0% is good against. Yeah.
Attack the A point.
Наводчик к бою готов. Заряжающий к бою готов.
Attack the B point. Attack the C point. Attack the B point.
Ketova, we're going to be close to those tanks, huh? In here. Just smash through here. We should, we got so many flat sides, you know.
11 часов. Дистанция.
Is he hiding here? No. Oh yeah, of course he was hiding. On the other side. The other side. For sure they must be coming to this direction. Yeah, there he is. Yes. And he saw me, I think, huh? So we shall switch positions. And our friend here, the recon scout, is in danger. Tommy Robinson. Oh. Okay, where is he? We are slowly retreating out of this hellhole. Not in that way, we aren't.
Танк! 12 часов! Близко!
It sounded just like machine gun fire very close to me. Seems like I'm hearing something. I'm getting very paranoid here.
Внимание! Воздух! Снаряд! 11 часов! Дистанция 1200 метров! Ваш квадрат наносит артиллерийский удар!
It's the other guy. It's the another blue guy here. Why?
Авиация на подъеме! More pressure on the enemy. They're winning. Воздух! Танк! 11 часов! Близко!
Oh my god.
Нас подбили! Танк! 11 часов! Упор! Бронебойным готово! Танк! 11 часов! Упор! Цель уничтожена! Нас подбили! Бронебойным готово! Попадание!
Oh my god.
Бронебойным готово! Нас подбили!
You're behind me or what? On the side? Yeah, on the side. Okay. I was hunted down like an animal. Okay, I don't know. I can't remember if I. Look at that. Hey. I should have.
Very much. Enemy group of talk.
Oh my god. Am I the one who was. No, somebody's misusing this, huh?